Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. You have no idea how excited I am for this challenge, and I might say that in the beginning of all of my videos, but I am really excited for this one. You have already read by the title. We are transforming ourselves and brackets fulfilling our childhood dreams. We are transforming ourselves into Disney princesses. Woohoo! For this challenge, obviously, Unnati, Ashi, Mrunu, all of them are part of this video with me, and they've also transformed into Disney princesses. So for this time, I didn't just give them like a random princess. I asked them to choose which princess they want to be, because obviously we are in lockdown and everybody doesn't have the clothes to fit any princess. My hand is paining. So I asked them to pick a princess that they want. They'll tell you themselves the princesses that they've chosen. I've already done like my base because I didn't want to bore you with that. Also, small thing, thank you so much for all your love on my last video. I've tried to like and reply to as many comments as I could, and also your DMs. All full of love, and that just made me so happy. So thank you so much guys. So you guys must be wondering, like, I mean, outfits makeup to ek baat hai, but wo Disney feel, that magical element, like how is it going to come in our final pictures? So I have actually collaborated with Darsh, who is an illustrator. He has been amazing. I was like, he's the perfect person I need to like get in touch with for this. I'm going to leave his details in the description as well, but I've seen Ashi, Mrunu and Unnati's pictures, and let me tell you, this is a spoiler I'm giving you. Their pictures are unreal. You're going to flip when you see this because they look so stunning. All of them look like princesses. Perfect. They've done such an amazing job with this. I'm not gonna talk anymore. I'm just gonna cut to everybody else and see what they're becoming.
Hey guys, welcome to Ashna's YouTube channel. Ashi this side.
Hey guys.
Hi guys. So for people who don't know me, hi, I'm Unnati, and before talking about anything else, I would like to introduce you to a new friend of mine. He's right here. His name is Bablu. Please don't mind him because nobody is perfect, not even princesses. I'm very excited to be in this video because it's a Disney related video and I love me some Disney magic and everything, you know that by now. Also, just before you think कि मैं इतनी अजीब क्यों लग रही हूँ, let me tell you guys because I have done मेरा base सिर्फ अभी और मेरा face बहुत एकदम bland सा लग रहा है, blank सा. हाँ.
मैंने जो कैरेक्टर चूज करा है इस मुआना, वो प्रिंसेस है वाटर की. मैं कल ही देख रही थी मूवी एंड जस्ट टू यू नो कि मतलब उसका वाइब कैसा है एंड एवरीथिंग. सो उसका वाइब इज tropical.
The princess that I've chosen finally, Elsa from Frozen. For Elsa, I had like a very over the top outfit, but she has platinum blonde hair. Like, I obviously don't have that color, and then I didn't find a wig also of that sort. So Mrunu actually told me that there is an app that I can like color my hair into that color.
Firstly, I would like to thank Ashna for letting me be a part of this video. I'm finally getting a chance to get all ready and all princessy. Letting you all know about the princess I chose for myself. It's Cinderella. We all chose mutually कि हमें किसकी तरह ready होना है, but I also had to check कि मेरे पास किस princess से मिलता जुलता से ड्रेस है, क्योंकि तभी मजा आएगा जब ड्रेस सेम कलर का होगा. ऑब्वियसली मैं जीन्स टी शर्ट में प्रिंसेस तो नहीं बन सकती. So I found a pink gown, वो भी मम्मी के पास से. So I'll be transforming myself into the Princess Aurora. Glitters. So I don't know why I am always somehow stuck with pink. मतलब इस टाइम मैं चाह रही थी मैं कोई और कलर मुझे मिल जाए, ब्लू मिल जाए, कुछ मिल जाए, यू नो सिंड्रेला वाइब्स है, कुछ ऐसा बन जाए. बट नो, मुझे मिला आखिरकार पिंक ही, क्योंकि पिंक गाउन है.
बहुत कंफ्यूज थी क्योंकि एज हम लोग के पास ज़्यादा चीज़ें नहीं है लाइक प्रिंसेस टाइप. आई थॉट मुआना का इजी रहेगा मुझे, बट नहीं, पर मुझे आउटफिट ही नहीं मिल रहे थे. मेरे पास कुछ आउटफिट्स है, सो मैं वही ट्राई करती हूँ. टॉपिकल टॉप, सो ये मैंने ख़रीदा था फॉर माई ट्रिप. आई गेस आई कैन वेयर इट नाउ. तो ये टॉप फिर मैंने चूज़ करा है.
There's a reason why I chose this character and I will let you all know the story behind it after I show you all my outfit. which is now. I will show you my outfit now.
So this is my outfit. I am super duper excited to wear it.
Also, I don't know if I'll fit into it or no, because I literally wore it 5 years back for my sister's wedding, and this is the second time I'm wearing it. I still remember telling my designer about how pretty I want to look at the reception. I literally told her that make me look like a princess. I don't know how. Probably better than my sister, but I'm kidding. My sister looked the prettiest that day. Sorry, honey.
This is the dress that I was talking about. It has one sleeve and दूसरा side off shoulder है, और ये इतना लंबा full size gown है एक pink color का. So that is why I chose this, because full gowns में ज़्यादा princessy feels आती है. So I'm going to show you the outfit. Are you ready? Also, these are all like courtesy of Paki. I never thought she would have this outfit. Like, somebody can get married in this outfit. A person that is into like OTT blingy things can get married in this dress. So here's my outfit. Oh my god. This is my outfit. Like, can you see how sparkly that is? And then she's got this veil also. Like, I'm not even kidding. Somebody can get married in this. She's got a tiara whose one diamond has fallen off, but we'll edit that. And then these gloves for the hand. I've got foundation on my hand, I'm so sorry, but oh my god, this is unreal. When she showed this to me, I was like, how does somebody have an outfit like this just sitting in their cupboard? But I have a white skirt to wear under the top. Oh my god, I'm so excited to see how this turns out.
I had already done my base. Now I quickly went and applied a little bit of eyeshadow. I actually got the perfect shade, if you can see the shade. It matches perfectly with my dress. Glitter से मुझे सिर्फ आशना के वीडियो में ईशा ने जो बोला था वो याद आता है, which is all that glitters is not gold.
Huh?
Because it can be silver as well.
Oh. Okay.
सिल्वर भी ग्लिटर करता है यार ऐसा सिर्फ.
तो मैं अभी मेकअप करूंगी. मोआना थोड़ी टैन जैसी है. आई लव टैन स्किन टोन. प्लीज इग्नोर माई बैकग्राउंड, इट्स मेसी. सो मैंने अभी फ्रैकल्स किया है. ये मैंने फ्रैकल्स किए यहाँ पे. एंड आईब्रोज उसके काफ़ी बुशी है मोआना के, तो इवन आई डिड दैट बुशी आईब्रोज. वो फाउंडेशन एंड बेकिंग करा अभी.
I'm gonna use these two palettes for my eyes because I think इसमें काफी pink and glitter shades बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. This is the Pretty Rich from Too Faced and the nude palette from Huda Beauty. मेरा जो बेस रहता है वो तो आपको पता ही होगा अगर आपने मेरे वीडियोस देखे हैं. किसी के भी वीडियोस देखे, सबका एक रूटीन वो ऑलमोस्ट सेम ही रहता है. So yes, so basic game is eyes and obviously बाल बहुत ज़रूरी है यार, क्योंकि नॉर्मल बाल अच्छे नहीं लगेंगे इसमें. So but बालों का टेंशन नहीं है मुझे. I have wig. I thought I'll show you the eyeshadow that I'm going to use. This is the Too Faced Pretty Rich palette and I'm going to use the shade Diamonds for Breakfast. I'm hating this color. Like, it's only been on for like 2-3 days and I'm already regretting applying this, because this is why I hate like normal nail polish, is because it starts chipping off and it then looks so yucky. So Elsa has these big blue eyes which I cannot in any way recreate, nor do I have lenses.
So makeup is done. I'm loving my makeup. It's all dewy and tan. मैंने थोड़ा ऊपर डार्क करा है, नीचे लाइट करा है क्योंकि उसके लिप्स वैसे ही थे. सो अब मैं थोड़ा आउटफिट चेंज कर लेती हूँ एंड एक्सटेंशन पहन लेती हूँ.
सो गाइज द मेकअप इज डन. आई हैव केप्ट इट वेरी सटल बिकॉज मैं कैमरा पे जो जब एडिट होती है फोटो तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है ओवर मेकअप. सो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू कीप इट सटल एंड आई एम इन माई प्रिंसेस ड्रेस नाउ एंड आई एम गोना जस्ट चेंज माई हेयर स्टाइल and wear the wig and then come back. My makeup look is complete. Here's my sparkly eye makeup. So now I'm going to add extensions to my hair. As you know, I have cut my hair recently, so it's very short right now. And Elsa is known for her long braided hair. In the second part, I've just seen her images where she's got like open hair also. So we're going to try both the hairstyles, but I need extensions. So my mom is going to help me put like a wig that she's got. And I'm also going to wear the outfit. So I think the next clip you see is going to be me with the hair and outfit.
This is how my hair looks right now. I had curled them yesterday because I wanted soft curls and my hair really does not behave well whenever I need to shoot. I'm just gonna take this bit from here and put it behind. So I'm quickly going to do my hair and wear the dress and be right back.
Oh my god, this is looking so pretty. And Paki's doing extensions for me because Elsa ko zarurat hai.
तो ये मेरा फर्स्ट आउटफिट है, मतलब ये मैंने ये है थोड़ा ट्रॉपिकल लुक, एंड मोआना एसेसरीज कुछ नहीं पहनती है तो ये मेरे को अच्छा लग रहा है.
Hi guys, this is Aurora. So guys, I added the blonde wig that I told you guys about, and I also added an accessory. ये जो है ये headband है, मतलब headband नहीं, ये बहुत पहले मुझे किसी के साथ मिला था, I think किसी प्रोडक्ट के साथ, बट ये टूट चुका है तो मैंने इसको पिन से अटैच किया है just to give it a crowning effect. Also I added थोड़ा ज़्यादा ब्लश बिकॉज पिक्चर्स में रेड चीक्स दिखना चाहिए बिकॉज आई एम अ प्रिंसेस.
मुझे तुरंत याद आया कि मेरे पास क्राउन है, येलो वाइट फुल मैच हो रहा है, मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है. आशना, आई डिड इट.
So this is my final look, you guys. I'm feeling all princessy right now. I did my hair the way I told y'all. I just pinned it up from back. I added a little bit of gloss. मेरा प्रिंस कहाँ है? बुलाओ उसे. है ही नहीं.
एंड मैंने जो कैरेक्टर चूज करा है इज मोआना.
So I'll be transforming myself into the Princess Aurora. About the princess I chose for myself, it's Cinderella.
The princess that I've chosen, finally, Elsa from Frozen.
I would really like to thank Ashna again. Finally, I got to wear this dress after 5 whole years. I'm shocked that it really fit me. I mean, I had to really open the extra stitches. Ashna, I really miss you and I love you, and I wish that we could take a group picture together in these very princessy outfits, but sadly we can't. But hope to see you soon. This is Unnati and Bablu signing off.
My challenge is done here. Princess Mayona. Moa. Bye yaar.
I think my part is done. So guys, like, share and subscribe to Ashna's channel. Lots of love. Miss you guys. मुझे हिंदी बोलने, अब मुझे ऐसे बोलना चाहिए. Yeah, you tell me. No. Yeah, I'm a Disney princess.
Hey guys, so this is me with the braid. I feel it looks very pretty. And now you've seen the final result of all of our pictures. I hope you've liked all of our pictures. Huge shout out to Darsh once again because he's done a fabulous job on the edits. And also a shout out to my girls because they looked so pretty and they did such a good job in this video. So thank you Ashim, Runu, Unnati. Thank you so much for being a part of this. I love you all, miss you all so much. And I'm gonna end the video here guys because it's getting really hard for me. I'm starting to get bruises with this dress and it's really heavy. So I'm gonna end the video here. I really hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed making this video. The shout outs for today go to Komal Thakur, Ayushi Kumar, Krishna Goswami, Tarunika, Samantha. 4 shout outs today. Yay! Okay, I'm gonna see you guys next time. Thank you so much for all your love. Bye.